What's up everyone, and welcome back to the Owl's Nest. Today's video we are going to be opening a Funko Pop mystery box. That's right, another Mystery Grail mystery box. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another Mystery Grail Funko Pop mystery box. This time we have a total of 2. And again, we are going to approach this mystery box with the 3 W's in mind. What's the price? What's inside the box? And was the value there? The price is $15 per mystery box, plus another $4 shipping. At least that's what I paid. So a total of $19 shipped for each box. In these boxes, you will find 1 Funko Pop, some candy, a scratch and win ticket. There are 1,500 boxes in this round of mystery boxes. You can potentially get some small, medium, and some large big boy grails. You can see the graphic with all the grails right here. I'm going to go over a few. I have the phone right here so I can look for reference. In the small grails, I would really like to have that mini face god from the Game of Thrones line. That would be a really freaking sweet pop to actually get in the collection, because I am collecting Game of Thrones. The next one I would like to have in my collection would be the Johnny Lawrence pop. I'm a huge Karate Kid fan, Cobra Kai fan. I'd really like to have the Johnny Lawrence in my collection. That'd be really sweet. And last but not least, in the smaller tier of grails, I would really like to have the Michael Jordan pop. I do have a few of the pops up on my wall over there, and I wouldn't mind getting that one in my collection as well. Taking a look at the medium, premium grails, if you will. I would really like to have Pebbles, because I did watch Flintstones as a kid. Also, the Ghostface. I did mention that last time. I do like horror, but I don't have too many horror pops. But those two would be great additions to my collection. And the Mega Grails. The number 1 grail to get in this one, at least for me, would be the Freddy Funko as Doctor Strange. Let's go ahead and crack these and see what we get. Alright, will we get a grail? Will we get a small grail? Even a small grail would be, speak volumes. What is it? Did I get a grail? A grail? Not a grail. But we did get Nigel. Is it Nigel from the Wild Thornberries? That's pretty cool. Like the last one, it is in a Pop Shield Pop Protector, so that's always good whenever it comes with a pop protector. I use Pop Shield Pop Protectors in all my pops, but yeah, this is pretty cool. Nigel from the Wild Thornberries. It is a Nickelodeon pop. Pretty cool. Number 508 in the line. Pretty sweet. We have the scratch and win ticket right there, like normal. And we have some candy in the box. You know they did it. They just saved the best for last. This one is definitely going to be a grail. 3, 2, 1, bam. Is it a grail? Is it a grail? No, it's not a grail, but it is a chase. I'll take it. I'll take that chase. That's pretty cool. That is a Sentinel Armed Morty. Pretty freaking cool. In a Pop Shield Pop Protector as well. Pretty cool. Got a chase at least. Oh yeah, so we got the chase. Morty here. We have a scratch and win ticket. Some more candy. You know what? They switched it up on us. They didn't give us Tootsie Rolls this time. We got Crybabies. I'm going to stop the video here. I'm going to look up the values on these and see if we actually got more back in value or if we broke even. This is still part of the $100 gift card that I originally got in the first box. So I only paid like $14 out of my own money to get these boxes. And that ends the $100 gift card. Hopefully we get another $100 gift card and we'll do another round of boxes. I don't know. Here are the results. So for Nigel, we came in with this box at $19 shipped. For me at least. I don't know what it is, in other states or other areas. So $19 for me shipped. This pop right here come in at a whopping $6. And I gave it a $1 increase for the 200 tokens that it received with the scratch off ticket. So that brought up to a total of $7 for the box, or for the pop and the ticket, leaving us with a loss of $12. So we lost $12 on this box right here. For the Sentinel Armed Morty Chase, it came in at a whopping $15 with a $500 token, which I gave it a $2 valuation. So a grand total of $17 total. We still lost $2 on this box right here. Both of those pops and tickets came up to a total of $38 for the whole box. So you got $38 worth of value here. So total, after everything's said and done, you got a total of $24 back in value. So you paid $38, you got $24 back. So you lost $14 if you bought these boxes. Once again, I got that $100 gift card, so I only paid $14. So I still came in as a win because this is something I did not have before. That is the thrill of a mystery box. You get to spend some money, you get a pop that you might not have, you might even like the pop, but it's a mystery box. It's a gamble. I really like it. I mean, these mystery boxes offer something different than most other mystery boxes do, and that's the lottery ticket. I'm not technically sure if you can call it a lottery ticket. I don't know if you can get in trouble for calling it a lottery ticket, but it's a scratch and win ticket. And that's something that they do different than other mystery box companies. And me personally, I like that. You know, you can get something extra, not just a $5 pop. You can actually get something else. So that's my time for now. I'd like to thank you for clicking and watching. Be sure to give this video a like, a comment, and a subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. I guess the question of the day is, since we got a chase, what is your favorite chase? Let me know in the comments below. And on behalf of the Owl's Nest, I'll see you flock of collectors in the next one.